Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Joseph Ingram here, back with another video, and currently it is 10:42 p.m. Thursday night, but I just want to show you guys something real quick. Currently trading right now, trying to get some currency trading, but the market's about to close tomorrow, so I'm really waiting until Sunday afternoon. But I actually want to show you guys something I got the other day. Check this out. We have, let me turn on the light for you guys here. I managed to cop a 9mm FMK from Turner's Outdoors the other day, and it's looking very spiff. Very spiff. But yeah. It's currently the middle of the night. I didn't really get anything done today, so just chilling out here. But might wake up, might just transition this vlog to wake up in the morning. So yeah, might see you guys then. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Good morning. We are in Los Angeles, California, and today, guys, I have a different type of vlog today. We're still gonna be vlogging. Currently about to go do some laundry, but I actually want to show you guys my new PC I am going to be working on. This is going to be like my side PC. It's going to sit actually literally on this table, and it's going to have two monitors. This is just going to be like my performance PC when I really want to get shit done. And yeah, actually I have the motherboard and the CPU already down here, as well as the RAM. And we also, wait, okay, so I didn't even really realize this mid conversation, but I totally forgot I literally have a 2050 GPU just sitting here. It was supposed to be for a build I was supposed to build a really long time ago. And if you look back here as well, also got a Core i5, got some T-Force RAM, I believe. Oh, actually this is X-Power. And we have the B250 from MSI motherboard, and we also have a CPU cooler, which will go inside of the NZXT, I believe, H400, 500i, something like that. Sounds about right. But yeah, building a new PC. It's been a long time coming. I think it's time for a little upgrade. This is also going to be like my signature PC. I don't know if you guys see this kind of like marking right here. That's JI, which is my name, Joseph Ingram. I have that on my car. I have that on like certain things I really just find signature. Like for example, this bookshelf. Decided to throw the logo on it, slap it on there, because I feel like it's signature. I feel like it fits me. But with that being said, yeah, we're building a new PC. Probably gonna do a cool, just show you guys that for a bit. But I need to go get some detergent, because like I said, I'm doing laundry and I'm out of detergents. So we need some detergent. I think we need a couple other things. I need to head to Target and just do some stuff. Gotta do some stuff, alright? So stay tuned. Let's get to it. Yes, sir. And we are out. Alright, to the laundromat. Yes, sir. Which one do I need? Which one do I need? Alright, y'all. Got the detergent. I think I gotta get one more other thing. Just ran in the store real quick, but about to hop out. We about to leave in 1 second, but I think I need one more thing. Got the detergent though. do some laundry. Let's go. Alright, y'all, I currently just put the laundry in. There's a lot of people in there, so I kind of like didn't really want to vlog it. It would just be awkward, like just carrying bags and then having this fucking camera trying to do everything. So I'm just gonna wait a bit, but right now we're just chilling, just posted. I think I'm gonna go back to the car wash again, so this car's looking a little filthy, it's looking a little dirty. Gotta keep your stuff clean, man. Gotta keep the stuff clean. Good morning, it is Joseph here, and we are back with another daily vlog. And today we are about to get started, finally, on my new PC build, baby. The old one starting to show its wear and tear. It's done me good, but yeah, it's time we get a little upgrade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a little time lapse. I'll put the camera like way up here, and I'll just show you guys me building the PC. But also, I am going to be filming. This isn't just going to be for this channel. I'm going to be filming for another channel called The Technician as well. If you guys know, that's my tech channel. I'll put the links below. But I'm also going to get a couple shots between there, just because I wanted to record this whole process. So yeah. So let's get to it. New gaming PC build. It's not going to be done today because I have literally everything. The only thing I don't have is just the power supply. I gotta buy a power supply. That's the only thing I really didn't buy. I have literally everything. I could use power supply that I already have too as well on my other PC, which is sitting in the closet, but that thing is old as fuck, and I don't want to use that. I want to get a modular power supply because also I want to run white cables instead of just this regular stock cables. So right now today is just going to be me placing everything just down. Actually, with that being said, let me go ahead and try to take off this glass right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got the PC. Let me go ahead, let me turn the screen around so I can actually see you guys instead. And actually, I'm gonna do, one thing I did forget to do was an intro for The Technician. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the intro actually right now as I'm vlogging, because I'm just gonna cut it out in Premiere Pro. So here we go. Alright, y'all, so I've managed to actually put the motherboard in. I haven't screwed it in yet because I think before I actually screw it in, I think I have to install the CPU cooler on the back of the motherboard, so I'm not sure if I have to, I think I have to install it on the back of the motherboard, or I think I have to install it at the back of the case. One or the other. I just didn't want to screw down the motherboard just yet until I installed the RAM, things like the M.2 CPU cooler, and etc. But so far, I'm not gonna lie, it is looking a lot like what I hoped it would look like. I wanted to get 2 extra RAM sticks as well, just to fill it all in, and also because these are RGB as well. And also another thing we're probably gonna do is install water cooling from NZXT with the display that goes on top of the CPU as well, and more than likely lots of case fans. We need more case fans in here. These case fans, we're probably going to put, well, the radiator is going to go here, so we probably can't put case fans there, but yep, looking good so far. I think what I'm going to do next is try and maybe install the CPU. The only thing is, I didn't really check if this CPU is compatible. I'm pretty sure it is, or else I wouldn't have bought it, but I'm just going to check one more time, wipe off the thermal paste, reapply some thermal paste, and yeah, so that's where we are right now on this. One more thing, if you're building PCs, do not leave these precious pieces of metal and silicon and transistors and just expensive shit laying around. Okay, keep the case. Oh. Keep the case, because trust me, you'll thank me later. More than likely, I'm probably gonna finish this probably the end of the week, because I still need the power supply and etc. But yeah, we're almost there. We are almost there.